Hey there tech fans, Rick here again with a quick review of the DJI FPV Fly More Kit. This is considered an essential accessory for the DJI FPV drone if you'd like to spend more time in the air when you're out for a day of flying. Because I promise you, once you start flying this drone, you're going to have so much fun that the minute you get home, you're going to start searching for a second battery so you can extend your airtime. You might even find a third battery. And then you're going to think, now I've got 3 batteries, how do I charge those batteries? I only have a single charger. So you're going to plug in the first battery, wait for it to charge. You're going to have to disconnect it, plug in the second battery, wait for that to charge, and then disconnect that, plug in the third battery. And you see where I'm going with this. There's a lot of wasted time because you may not get there right when that battery's fully charged, and it can take forever to charge those batteries. So you're going to start looking for a way that you can charge more than one battery at a time, and that's exactly where the hub comes in, because this allows you to connect 3 batteries at the same time and safely and quickly charge those batteries. Now the Fly More kit includes 2 additional batteries just like the one you found in the kit when you bought the DJI FPV, and it also includes the intelligent charging hub. Now the hub is smart. It's got a controller inside of it that when you connect the batteries and the charger, the hub springs to life and it looks at the batteries that are connected, it finds the one that needs the least amount of charge, and it fully charges that battery. When that one's finished, it'll look at the other batteries that are connected, find the one between them that needs the least amount of charge, and fully charge that battery, and then move on to the third one. So it eliminates all that wait time between plugging and unplugging batteries, and it just takes a lot of the hassle out of charging your cells. It's a really smart product, and it will quickly and safely charge those batteries. Now let me show you how this works. It couldn't be simpler. When you bought the original kit, you got a nice charger with it, but it's got a single connector on the end of it. So normally what you'll do is connect this up to the battery, charge the battery. When it's finished, you'll unplug it, move on to the second battery. With the hub, you'll actually connect this up to the hub. So you'll simply plug it into the hub, and it's polarized so you can't get it in backwards. Then there are 3 connectors on the end here that you can use for the batteries. So I'll plug the first one in here, then I'll move on to the second one. I'll plug the second one in here, and then I've got a third one over here, and I'll plug that into the third port right there. Now what it's done is it's looked across the batteries, interrogated them, and figured out that this battery needs the least amount of charge, and you can see it's charging. Now if I disconnect that one, the hub is going to see the other 2 batteries, and it's going to interrogate both of those, and it moved on to the middle one. And when that one's finished and fully charged, it'll move on to the third one. What's really nice about this is that there's a communication going on between the hub and the batteries where it's checking the charge level, it's adjusting the voltage and current to charge that battery. So you're really carefully charging the batteries so you know they're going to last a long time, but it takes all that wasted time out of me figuring out, is the battery charged, isn't it charged, should I unplug it and plug the next one in? That's just a real hassle. That hub just makes it incredibly easy. And again, the intelligence in there updates the battery charge cycles, because that's a metric that's kept inside the batteries, so you know you're getting a safe and quick charge there. And again, at the end of the day, when you're flying the DJI FPV drone, it's a wonderful product. I promise you're going to want to fly it longer, and the first accessory you're going to run out to try and find is going to be a battery and a second battery in addition to the original one you had. And then you're going to wonder, how can I charge all these batteries? Well, the hub takes care of that. So the Fly More kit gives you 2 batteries in the hub, pretty much everything you need to triple your airtime when you're out there having fun. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I've enjoyed talking about it. I hope you're getting a lot of good airtime with your DJI FPV. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.